Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Soumya and I'd be really happy if you'll take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Good morning! Finally, so as you read by the title, it's gonna be a vlog and I'm going back to my campus. So I thought I should vlog this because I've never tried vlogging before and it'll be a fun experience. And also I promised myself that I am going to post this vlog no matter what, how it'll turn out or whatever, I don't care. So yes, एक्चुअली द रियल रीज़न इज़ मुझे ट्राईपॉड ही इसी वजह से मिला है कि मैं व्लॉग डालूँगी तभी मुझे ट्राईपॉड मिला है. सो दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल रीज़न. वो थोड़ा दैट वाज थोड़ा स्टाइलिश थिंग सीक्रेट. एनीवेज आई एम डन विद माई पैकिंग एंड 3 दिन ट्रैवल हैक्स देखने के बाद नाउ माई पैकिंग इज़ डन. एंड यू नो वॉट, समटाइम्स पैकिंग बिकम्स रियली डिफ़िकल्ट. लगेज लिमिट भी रहता है एंड ये अदर कंडीशन इज, मतलब कितना ही हम रख सकते हैं ना. मतलब ऐसे 25 kgs है तो 25 kgs ही रख लिया और पता चला कि हिला ही नहीं बैग हमसे. सो कितना डिफ़िकल्ट रहता है यार, बट माई पैकिंग इज़ डन. So yeah, and also I'm very excited to meet my friends. But on the other hand, I'm feeling like a little bit sad because I've never been at home for 2 years straight. And now this. So my flight is tomorrow morning, tomorrow at 8 a.m. So I'll sleep early so that I can wake up early. And I'm not a morning person. I'm neither a night owl. I don't know what I am, but yeah, I have to sleep early to wake up. जल्दी. ऑल्सो वेन आई वेंट फॉर दैट RT-PCR, सो मुझे पता है कि मुझे कोरोना नहीं है, बट पता नहीं यार, जब तक रिपोर्ट नहीं आई ना तब तक आई वॉज फीलिंग कि अरे कहीं पॉजिटिव ना हो जाए. आई नो इट्स सिली, बट हाँ यार मुझे मतलब सही में ऐसे फील हुआ था. ओके, सो आई सी यू टुमारो एंड गुड नाइट. Good morning. Now I'll go in a few minutes and I'll see you there. So I woke up at 5 a.m. today and I also slept at 2 or 3 a.m. मुझे नींद ही नहीं आ रही थी, पता नहीं. मतलब मैं अभी पहले बोल रही थी स्लीप अर्ली वेकअप अर्ली, फालतू का. मुझे कल नींद भी नहीं आई और फिर जल्दी भी उठना हो गया. बट बढ़िया चल रहा है अभी. मैं बहुत एक्साइटमेंट टुक ओवर. एंड अभी इसके बाद मैं बताऊंगी. अभी मेरी भोपाल से फ़्लाइट है, देन बॉम्बे से कनेक्टिंग. बॉम्बे में 4 घंटे का लेओवर है, सो आई विल सी यू देयर. So our next flight is at 2:30 and abhi we have exactly 3 hours and 40 minutes. So I'll go and have something because Mama has said कि जैसे लैंड होना है वैसे ही just go and eat something and send me the pic. So I'll go and have something. After that we'll have 3 hours and 40 minutes. So क्या करेंगे 3 घंटे 4 घंटे, I don't know. चलो अभी I'll just go and have something, then I'll tell you about my plans, what I have. मैंने क्या सोचा है हॉस्टल के लिए. I've planned a lot of things, how I'll decorate my room and yeah. So I'll just go and then I'll see you. Now I'm finally done. अब करना है टाइम पास. So there is MAC, a pink shade, but that wasn't available. So that means कहीं और टाइम पास करने जाना पड़ेगा. अभी तनिष्क नो. What is this यार? No. Shoes no यार. I'm searching for something unique, but I don't think I'll be getting that. Okay, so finally after roaming around for 2 hours and visiting every store, I've purchased this room. So my friend told me that he has got a room with purple wall, so I also want purple wall, and my plan is I'll just make it a BTS universe. So in second year we all will have single rooms, so it is sort of fun. I've never stayed in a single room in Kota. Also I was in like double room, and then my friend was there to accompany me, so single rooms will be a new experience. Okay, so here is our pizza and now I'll eat it. अभी फ़्लाइट में पता है आधा घंटा ही है और मुझे भूख लग रही है. मेरे को अभी 2 घंटे से बिल्कुल भूख नहीं लग रही थी, बस स्टार्ट में खाया था. नाउ आई एम फीलिंग वेरी 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 हंग्री एंड आई हैव टू रश. वैसे भी पास में ही है बट स्टिल यू हैव टू लीव अर्ली ना. आई डोंट नो यार, लाइक अभी पहले इन्जॉय करते पिज़्ज़ा. Also one more thing, like this whole vlog making thing, I'm having a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys are having fun watching this or not, but I'm having a lot of fun making this, like, you know, recording moments and then describing them perfectly. It's like a perfect thing to do. So yeah, people staring like you have to be like a very shameless, and I think I am shameless like 60%, and I have to learn a lot, but still. चलो I'll just finish this fast, क्योंकि नहीं तो अगर finish नहीं किया ना तो आज तो पक्के से मेरी flight गई है. I'll finish it. So you know what? This has become like my habit of not sitting where my actual gate is, and I always sit like I don't know how many kilometers far away from that gate, and then I have to rush at the end moment. This is like why I don't do it consciously. I don't know how I end up sitting somewhere else, and now I'm very tired. This journey is indeed pathetic, really pathetic. I wasn't expecting a lot of crowd, but airports are really crowdy, and now my battery is down. Not my mobile's battery, my battery is down. So I'll see you. Okay, so now it turns out that जहाँ मैं पहले बैठी थी, that is the gate, and that 87 has been changed. Just look at it. किस्मत देखो मेरी. So good morning. I'm finally in my new room. So I'll show you the video later because I haven't actually organized it, and I haven't shifted my stuff also from CH7. So like I used to live in CH7 when I was in first year, and now they have allotted me this. So the thing is, this hostel is of like first year and second year girls. I just actually don't want to get into it because yesterday my whole mood was spoiled, and just ignores the bad part. Okay, so let's come to the good part. Hey, what is that? Let's skip to the good part. Okay, so I'll go to mess. By the way, I like this room. I like being alone. I don't know what if I'm putting it right. Yeah. Anyways, I like this room, and yeah, it's nice. Like there are two things, like the tube light isn't working properly, and the paint is not really nice. So these are the two things. Apart from this, the board is also not hanging. Oh my god. So I'm leaving for mess, and I've left my tripod, so like this camera might shake. Like this will shake because I'm a hand talker and this camera keeps on shaking now. So we'll go and we'll eat. मुझे लग रहा है ना कि आज छोले भटूरे होंगे. अरे लाइट ही चली गई. एक तो ना, you know, I take 20 minutes to get out of this hostel. I don't know. Okay, so that is not the way. अरे यार, where should I go? I don't know. Shift all this, and how will I unpack? Oh my god, I'm so tired. Also, like they just asked me to shift it in one go. So how can a person shift this like everything? I have like stuff piling up around for like 1 year and I have to shift it in like 2 minutes. Today was pathetic, very pathetic. I don't know how I'm going to arrange this, and I'll just go sleep and then I'll think something because abhi to I'm just exhausted. As you can see, I am in the dance room. So finally after 10 days of quarantine, I'm here. So like the first thing I wanted to do after getting back to campus was to visit dance room, but because of that quarantine thing, they didn't allow me. But finally I'm here. So today I'll shoot a few reels, maybe I'll see if I'll be able to finish the choreo and thing. Else, yes, I'll see you in a few minutes. So good morning. I'm going to gym. So it was like a very sudden thought yesterday, and me and my friend decided to go to gym. And this is our second day actually. Yesterday I couldn't vlog because it was our first day and we weren't professionals. So like we were like sort of scared. Not scared, like we just wanted no one to know that we don't know anything. So we went like at 6 sharp. आधे घंटे से पता है बस चले ही जा रहे हैं. हमको हमारे कैंपस में ही रास्ते नहीं मिल रहे हैं.
ब्रेकफास्ट ब्लॉग बना रही.
अरे अलग अलग ब्लॉग थोड़ी ना होता है. ऐसा होता है कि थोड़ा थोड़ा रिकॉर्ड करके मैं म्यूजिक डाल दूँगी. ऐसा नहीं होता ब्रेकफास्ट ब्लॉग और गोइंग टू क्लास ब्लॉग. Okay, so that's it for the vlog and I hope you all enjoyed it, and do let me know in the comments which was your favorite part and what else you'd like to see on the channel, and I'll see you.